This is a paper mache pumpkin I made back in 2018. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I was having fun just trying to figure it out. But now that my skills have improved, at least I think so, I think that this pumpkin could do for a bit of an upgrade. It needs a new stem, and I want the top of the pumpkin to be concave. Since I have the top open, I paint over the exposed newspaper on the inside so that it will have a less distracting look when it's lit up. Then I glue the top back on upside down so it's more concave like I want, looking more like a pumpkin and less like a ball. I'll sort out a new stem later, because right now I'm sketching out where I want the ridges of the pumpkin to go. I like my pumpkins to have more pronounced ridges, so I'm going to build them up using cotton ball mache, which is just cotton balls dipped in wood glue. I got a little bit impatient with the dry time, so I used hot glue and strips of cardboard to get the desired ridge height. And I'll most likely switch to the cardboard method going forward, but for now I just lock everything in with another layer of cotton ball mache. I missed a couple spots, so I used hot glue to avoid the dry time of the cotton ball mache, which for me is at least a day. Then I ball up some tin foil for the stem armature. Then use some air dry clay for sculpting the stem over it. I like how the air dry clay is a rougher texture to separate it from the soon to be smooth pumpkin, which I'm using Crayola Model Magic mixed with a little bit of wood glue and applying a very thin layer to avoid the Model Magic cracking as much as possible. It leaves a nice smooth finish, and the only cracking seems to be in the depths of those ridges, which is easily covered up with a bit of acrylic caulking, smooth with just a finger dipped in water. Then it's a matter of painting it orange with a darker red orange for shading. I think this is a major upgrade from its original state, but let me know what you think in the comments below. And I've got a couple more Halloween videos coming out in rapid succession, so stay tuned. That means subscribe. It's free. Do it.